So super duper. We start with putting this thinning on. But I don't want to do this because I don't want to do that because no. Here we have my deodorant, my thing, my other thing. And we have. This one so good. Actually, wait, I forgot something. I literally forgot something. We don't mind that. But let's just try to. My dad and mom cannot see I'm biting in this. Because I didn't. I'm back. And I didn't get it open, so yeah. I'm just gonna use this lipstick. No, that's not how I do it. I do like this. You understand? I need a break. 2 seconds. I don't want this anymore because it hurts. Look at my hair. So we are just gonna take this. Cut. No, we don't like that. Look at my skinny, beautiful hair. Stop. And either. This is so wet. Bye. And this is also wet. Ew! That reminds me of why do I still have this filter on? That's what I call beautiful. Up in the moon when all the planets are. Yeah, I'm here. Round. Yay! Up in the moon. Guys, actually, I don't want to get wet. Not my fault. I just thought I used all my time, but it's just these stupid fucking things in my way. I'm getting literally stressed. I'm sorry.
Did I just forget all the time to put it in normal? I gonna see this video. Bye guys.